Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find all the purchased items on Dress to Impress. So all the currency items, all of the items that you purchased using the pink currencies are actually in the dressing rooms. So the first page is where every currency item is. As you can see here, I have everything collected. This too, all of the purchased items as well. This is the Roblox items. This one is kind of random. I think this one's like almost everything. I'm not quite sure what this is for. And this one's for code items. I think this one they put in a lot of the items that I've worn a lot. I think I'm not quite sure, or I think it's everything. The middle one is everything. This one's obviously codes, and this one's all of the prize items that you got from advent calendars and from joining events, so the bright events, from joining all of the winter quests here, the Valentine's quest too, as well as if you go to Runway Diva, Trendsetter, and Runway Model, and then Trendsetter and Runway Diva. There's going to be more once I reach Top Model, hopefully. But that's where you can find everything else. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.